Hey everybody, it is time for those dad jokes. You know the drill. Knock knock. Orange. Orange, you excited for my jokes? Yes, you are. I know you are. All right, let's take a look at what we've got in store for you to make you smile. Why is everyone going to be so tired on April 1st? Because they've just finished a 31-day march. Get it? March, calendar, 31 days. That's pretty good. Okay. Why did the can crusher quit his job? It was so depressing. Get it? Soda, pressing, crushing. Yeah. Thanks for that submission. All right. How do you find Will Smith in a snowstorm? Why, you follow the Fresh Prince. Oh, such a good show. Speaking of good shows, have you seen the new movie Constipation yet? Oh, wait. Never mind. It hasn't come out yet. Oh, but if you do have trouble streaming it, fiber optics will make it come out a little bit faster. And I also heard that Germany is releasing its own version. Yep, they're titling it Far From Poopin'. Thanks for that submission, guys. All right. Well, those were some questionable dad jokes this week. But anyway, if you've got some that you'd love to share, email me at pariso@fultonschools.org. Till next time, keep on smiling.